Working with electronics manufacturing and dealing with GER PCB layout files, these are Gerber files used for printed circuit board fabrication. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to view and use these Gerber PCB layout files in electronics design workflows. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn GER files. A GER file is a standard vector format used in the electronics industry to describe the individual layers of a printed circuit board, PCB. Electrical engineers and hobbyists export GER files from their design software, like KiCad or Eagle, to send to a manufacturer for fabrication. It serves as the digital blueprint for the physical circuit board. The Gerber format is an ASCII text file containing a series of commands and coordinates. Each command instructs a photoplotter how to create the artwork for a PCB layer, defining copper traces, pads, and planes. This vector-based, text-driven design ensures universal compatibility between different EDA software and manufacturing equipment. When viewing the file metadata, the GER shows a direct link to KiCad EDA from KiCad Community. The file's proprietary wrapper demands a specific decryption tool, not generic software. Windows lacks full geometry parsing, so deeper review depends on engineering design tools. The solution usually starts here. Right-click the GER file and select Open With. Try KiCad EDA as your first attempt. If you don't see it, choose another application. Keep testing until the file cooperates. If the GER file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. To truly fix this, let's review the why, the top technical reasons this specific GER error occurs on your system. First, opening with Gerber Viewer. Use free Gerber viewers like ViewMate Gerber or KiCad's Gerber to open GER files. Download from the respective vendor websites and use File then Open to load the Gerber files. The viewer displays each PCB layer with proper colors and lets you measure features, verify dimensions, and inspect the design before fabrication. Next, importing in CAM software. Professional PCB CAM software like CAM350, GC Preview, or Altium. Camtastic imports Gerber files for manufacturing preparation. These tools provide design rule checking, panelization, and CNC drill program generation. Use File, then Import, then Gerber, to load files into the CAM environment for comprehensive pre-production verification and tooling preparation. Finally, converting to other formats. Use online conversion tools or KiCad's Gerber to convert GER files to PDF for documentation, or DXF for mechanical KiCad integration. Some manufacturers accept PCB designs in proprietary formats requiring conversion from Gerber. Most commonly, Gerber files are zipped together with drill files for transmission to PCB manufacturers via web-based ordering systems. And then fuzz. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.